So we were thinking, is the bird going to eat the red bird or the lizard going to eat the bird?
I think they're friends.
I think the bird is just messing with the lizard.
Yeah, because sometimes it lands and it goes, and then it came back again and landed and it left. So we wanted to see if there was going to be some action going on, but nothing really happened.
I think they're friends. That's why they're not eating each other. That's what I think. I'm taking rid of it.
Did you get a good picture? Let's do this.
No, I'm doing a better one.
Food during the week.
I cooked some food. I cooked spaghetti.
No, you only cook when I said cook. Otherwise, you won't cook.
Oh, there's the red bird.
And spaghetti is one meal. I'm talking about like macaroni, cheese. Or,
Mommy, I found action. I found a red bird. I found the red bird we were talking about.
And I want to cook those beans, those black.